folks, welcome to my How to What channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use CCleaner. CCleaner is a useful tool for cleaning out accumulated internet or file waste. CCleaner cleans by deleting temporary files and files that take up a lot of space. Only few people know using CCleaner properly in correct way. Let's get started. Open your CCleaner, go to the Cleaner tab above and you will be confronted by a very confusing lineup of checkboxes. Check off the items you'd like to clean out from your browser. Under the Internet Explorer, check temporary internet files, history, cookies, and last download location, and left other uncheck. You can also normally leave Windows Explorer, System, and Advanced uncheck. Now go to Run Cleaner and it will start deleting. You may be asked to close your browser while cleaning in process, so it's better to close or should not open before using CCleaner. Well done, your cleaning is completed. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.